Hi guys, welcome to Dr. T Spills the Tea. It's been a while, I missed you, and the demand has been great. We have so many requests, so I'm going to try to hammer these out so you guys have a lot of information. Getting to the topic at hand today, it's about PRP. PRP is kind of on every street corner now, which is great that it's getting some attention and popularity. Makes me nervous because I got to make sure that you guys are well trained to understand what to expect from your treatment and what to ask of your treatment provider. So first of all, what is PRP? PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. Quite simply, we take your blood, we spin it, we get the good golden juice from that, and then we re-inject it for some clinical application. Now the list of clinical applications is huge. One of the most useful ones, and I'll use for context today, is hair, because that's one of the most quickly adopted areas of treatment. So how does it work for hair? Well, it stimulates cell growth as well as stem cells and hair growth overall. Part 2, it decreases hair shedding. Part 3, it increases vascular supply and angiogenesis. Part 4, it's natural and organic. So you can imagine there are so many different applications of PRP, and its use in hair is incredible. Now, what to expect or what to ask of your provider? Ask them, how many treatments has your clinic done? How many treatments does your clinic do? How many have you done? And what kind of results do people see? So we're very upfront about the fact that it doesn't work all the time for all people equally, but it works differently for all people at different hair conditions and different circumstances. So that's very important to know before you even enroll in the treatments. But once you get started, if you have all of the information and you have a very good treatment provider, you can get some incredible results. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time.